Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All praise due to Allah. We praise Him, seek His help and forgiveness, peace and blessings be upon His messenger and upon all of His companions. No doubt that the lightning, thunderstorms, or the hurricanes are a severe warning how many nations before us Allah has destroyed with these ayat. And Allah said in the Holy Quran, وَمَا نُرْسِلُ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا تَخْوِيفًا, that we are the Almighty did not send these signs of the punishment except the people be mindful and fear their Lord. As the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, taught us, if we ask Allah alone, and if we seek help and refuge, we seek in Allah alone. It was narrated by Al-Imam At-Tirmidhi and others from Hadith Abdullah ibn Umar عن أبيه رضي الله عنهما كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا سمع الرعد والصواعق قال اللهم لا تقتلنا بغضبك ولا تهلكنا بعذابك وعافنا قبل ذلك. In the meaning of, O Allah, do not destroy us with your anger or punishment, and forgive us before this. O Allah, grant us the well-being and the forgiveness before destroying us. It was narrated also in the authentic that Abdullah ibn Zubayr and Abi Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with them, used to recite at the time of the thunderstorms, سبحان من سبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. سبحان من سبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. Glory be to Allah, the one that thunders praises Him and glorifies Him, while the angels glorify Him out of fear. سبحان الذي يسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. So it is from the Sunnah either to say اللهم لا تقتلنا بغضبك ولا تهلكنا بعذابك وعافنا قبل ذلك. O Allah, do not destroy us with your anger and punishment. We ask you to grant us the forgiveness and well-being. نعم. Or you can say سبحان من سبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. Glory be to Allah, the one thunders praises Him and glorifies Him, while angels glorify Him out of fear. We ask Allah the Almighty to save us, and we ask Him to grant us the forgiveness and the well-being in here and hereafter. اللهم إنا نسألك العفو والعافية في الدنيا والآخرة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.